This is how I remove aphids. Now, spring is a brilliant time of year, however, it has one downside, and that downside is aphids. They like to come out and ruin your garden, so here's how I get rid of them. You'll need a clean, empty spray bottle, some tea tree oil, some rosemary oil, and some eucalyptus oil. And some washing up liquid / detergent, which is ideally plant-based. Now, in a 500ml bottle, I put 10 drops of rosemary oil, 10 drops of tea tree oil, and 10 drops of eucalyptus oil. Now, is this a bit overkill? Yes. But do I hate aphids? Yes. I then put a quarter cap of detergent in the bottle as well. Now, you can also put in other stuff like alcohol and stuff like that, but I didn't have any on me. I then fill up the bottle with water, and this is what I have. And then it's just about spraying it onto the affected plant. And while I was spraying the gooseberry, my mum made me aware that she found some aphids in the front garden, and this was my honest response. And as we can see, the roses were absolutely covered in aphids. So I gave them a good spray. As always, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to drop a like and follow, and hopefully this can help you remove those aphids from your garden.